welcome. Today we are unboxing our March Slayglam bag. Well, I say bag because it didn't come in a box, and yes, I worked through it like a monster that I am when it comes to packaging because I'm like so excited. And then I was sent over a PR box of some goodies for my grand pups and grand kitties. And of course, if y'all don't know, I do feed the strays around here, kitty cats, stray kitty cats, and the doves, sometimes a raccoon. What else do we got? Some chipmunks, birds, whatever. Anyways, if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name's Shonda, and over here we're all about embracing the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you do. Acting like I can rap and sing and stuff, but anyways, thank you guys bunches and bunches for helping to support the channel, because you don't have to click that YouTube membership, but you choose to. And I see you, and I appreciate you all. So, anyways, let's go ahead and jump in real quick. This was sent over from Synergy Labs, and if you have a little puppuccino, a kitty chino, I don't know what it would be called. I always call my grandpups my little puppuccinos. They sent over some of their products, which, if you don't know, okay, my daughter and her partner have this thing where they're like me, and they love animals. So when they find strays, they find strays that aren't scared of them. Yeah, okay, if you guys don't know the story on my kitty cats that aren't my kitty cats, but come around and I feed the kitty cats, they won't let me within the vicinity of them. Like, holy gosh, if I even look out the window at them, they're like, I'm here for your food, not for your love. Goodbye. And they leave, and I'm like, why? It's a sensitive subject, okay? But anywho, one of these days one of you guys said, well, hopefully one day you guys will roll in the grass and love and all that stuff. And I'm like, here's hoping. I am willing to get the allergies kicked up to roll in some grass and snuggle with these little kitties that I just literally, I'm gonna tangent. Hopefully, if you're new here and this is the first time you're finding me, well, you're either gonna stick around for a couple reasons or you're gonna leave. So thank you if you choose to stay. I appreciate it. Anyways, but we were talking about, like, you know, the cats staying around and everything, and I said my husband was trying to do research because he knows it really bothers me that the cats don't want me to love them like I want to love them. And he said he read this article that said if they're feral cats, however you say that sometimes it can take months or months and months or years. And I'm like, of course. I find the cats that literally take years to get over their feralness. But anyways, Synergy did come through with this, which is called Pet Calm, which I will just go ahead, I'll give it to Haley, but because Lucy, sweet little Lucy Puppuccino, grandpup of mine, she's a emotional support animal, but I think sometimes she needs her own emotional support animal. So anyways, they sent over this because it's gonna help promote relaxation, which part of me, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of like, do I sprinkle it in the kitty cat bowl? But here's the thing, my kitty cats come around when I'm sleeping, so I have to watch and view them from the cameras. Except sometimes they'll come around at like 9 o'clock at night, and that's when I like sneak to the window. But I don't want to calm them, and then they roll off, and then who knows, whatever. Anyways, so this is gonna help promote relaxation, and I thought it would be great for Lucille. And then look at this. This is a veterinarian formula. It's Puppy Love Extra Gentle and Tearless Formula, pH balance for puppies. Oh, it smells so good. It reminds me of a mix of a little puppy and like a little bit of like baby lotion or something. It smells really good. So, I mean, obviously, oh, what I was gonna tell you guys. So then they found a cat. They now have another cat. And then somebody, it makes me freaking mad how people can be so hateful to animals, okay, and to kids. Like, you want to tick this mama off, mess with her kids, mess with my fam bam, and mess with animals. Anywho, somebody had dumped out this dog, and he is of a breed that is known to be used for not so great things. and it breaks my heart because they took him to the vet and he was in fact used for not so great things and has scars all over him. Sweetest mother trucking dog. I will be popping pictures up of my grand pups as I talk about them. So this is Lumpy. Everyone meet Lumpy. We have Lumpy and Lucy. Okay, so Lumpy's actual name is something that I can't even pronounce. I don't even Haley didn't come up with it, her partner did. I'm like, I don't get it, but okay, Lumpy it is. So anywho's it's that is Lumpy and Lucy, and then we have Anderson and Augie. So they were kind enough to put things in for both my grand pups and grand kitties. So this is the original formula Dental Fresh. It's a water additive and it will gently whiten and brighten their bad breath. Same for the kitty cats. So this, does it say? It's clinically proven, original formula. It's been around since 1999. Sad thing is, to me, that was just like 2 years ago. No, it was like 24 freaking years ago. This is all like veterinarian formula approved and everything like that. So one of the things that they always say about Lumpy is his breath is god awful. I think Lucy's might be too. I don't really notice it, but I don't let them like right up in my, well, Lucy snags kisses. So I'll get to my Slaglam box unboxing in a minute. Hold on, my grand pups are and my grand kitties are like my kids. I'm not gonna shut up when I start talking about them. This is a Shed X. It stops excessive shedding in 3 to 6 weeks. That sounds amazing because both Lucy, well actually all of them, Anderson, Augie, Lumpy, and Lucy are all sheddy little animals. So this will be great. Then we have some spray for both kitty cat and doggies. It's clinically proven, so we love that. Everyone's gonna smell so fresh. And then we've got the best of the best. Oh wait, what is it? Ear thing. Oh, this is gonna be so good for Lucy because she's like a beagle and her little ears flap down. This is gonna be something that will help with bacterial and fungal infections. And typically if you have a dog with floppy ears, they have ear issues. And then last but not least, we've got, and yes, Lumpy and Lucy will allow for their teeth to get brushed. Haley said that Lumpy just had his teeth brushed. No issues whatsoever. So, anywho's it. Thank you so much to Synergy Labs for sending this over. I greatly appreciate it. I'll have it linked down below for you guys with anything, with all the information and everything. But yeah, that is my grand pups and grand kitties for now. There are no grand babies as of yet. So, let's go ahead and jump into our Slaglam box. This is the March box. It did arrive early and it did come bagged up and I was a little confused. But I actually spoke with Slateland Box and they are coming out, which has me really excited because yes, ignore the fact I don't have any nails on right now. I'm trying to pull up the Chiat, but they are coming out with 4 to 5 sets of press-on nails a month, and it's gonna include the glue in each set, and it's gonna be $24 a month for that. So I thought that was pretty cool. And of course, you've got an option to sign up for the makeup box as well. But they sent over a little sample of the nails, and how cute are these? So it says Slayglam on there. Let me open this up to show you guys. So, oh yeah, there's the glue right here. Hold on. Ugh, how is it? I got it stuck. Okay, so you're gonna get a nail file, a cuticle pusher, as well as a little thing of glue. So everything that you need to put your nails on, which you guys know, like there were times that I used to vlog going to the nail salon, and I'll be honest, I only made it a couple, like maybe 2 months, and then because I get very panicky. It's one of those things, even if I've mentally prepped for the appointment, I still get really panicky unless it's for my lip filler. If it's for the lip filler, I don't care. I still get a little like, oh, I don't want to do it, but I do it. Like, and it's not that I don't want to get the lip filler. I definitely want the lip filler. It's getting into the car, driving, sitting in the waiting room, then sitting with the medicine on to numb my lips. But then once it starts getting pumped in there, I'm like, yes! I don't care what anybody says. You mind your business. lip filler aren't for you, okay ma'am, don't get it. But when it came to getting my nails, I would literally have panic attacks, like sweaty armpits, the whole kit and caboodle. And I don't know why. It's just, I've always been like that. I'm a very socially awkward person. Like, don't let the camera fool you. All right, nobody's in this house right now, so I am like, even more than normal. But I am a very socially awkward person. I'm gonna be one of two ways. I'm either gonna be very shut down, or I'm gonna be so over talkative that it's probably gonna short circuit your brain, because you're gonna be like, how the heck can someone talk so freaking much? It's my nerves. It's my nerves. I won't comprehend jack crap. So anyways, once I started getting, like, doing press-on nails, oh my gosh, game changer. I love them. Anyways, in here it does say the 4 to 5 nail sets with the glue included. There are going to be links of long, medium, and short. And it says, please include your preference in the email. Otherwise, it will be a mix. So I thought that was kind of cool. And you can use coupon code HOTMESS to save 10% off your first subscription to the nails. All right, so now we've got our actual makeup subscription. This had me very intrigued. I don't know what this is. Drippin' Diamonds Beauty? Like, what? It's bling. So you know I was all excited over that. Do I push a button? Oh, it's a liquid liner. Okay. There's no button to be pushed. It was just decorative purposes. So it's a liquid liner. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't use liquid liners. So I'll just give that over to Haley because Haley can wing it out like something fierce. Next in here, we've got the Sachet brand lipstick and lip liner duo. There is no card in here for me to give you like prices or anything like that. So I'll have it linked down below. If you do use my coupon code HOTMESS, I think you get like your first box for like $21 or something. So I think it's a good deal. Ooh, what? This is so fancy. Okay, so pulling this out of my purse, how cute is that? So one end, you've got this really pretty, ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a nice little mauve-y shade. I like that. And then on the other side, sorry if you guys hear me sniffling. Ooh, it's like crazy Kentucky weather. You've got a matching lip liner. Okay, y'all, this is a really good color. You know why? You're gonna be able to overline your lips and bake them jokes and lips. I do that every day, all day, even with my lip filler. Because I only get lip filler like once or twice a year. So, and I do like more of like the natural look versus like the, I mean, I do look like that right after it's done. But then they go down, I'm like, oh, I kind of missed that. Anyways, back to this. This is really pretty. It says it's shade 7. And it just says One Wish on here. So I guess that's the shade name. So does anybody else test their eyeballs that way? Like, is it time for readers yet? Let me read the back of a thingy. And it's kind of a dark, like, I don't know why it kind of looks bright on camera because it is cruddy weather. Like spring, no, not in Kentucky. So yeah, but that's how I test my eyeballs, is I like read the back of a lipstick label. And I'm like, okay girl, you're good, you're buying time. You any minute now your eyes are gonna go kaput and they're gonna be needing some readers. So anyways, that's that item. Next in here we've got 2 of these Rashbi Cosmetics multi-chrome liquid, ooh, liquid shadows. Okay, let's swatch these. How cute are these? This is so cute. Okay, so it's kind of like a shifty like pink, and ooh, I'm seeing even other colors there. Here it's like white and pink, but on camera there's like also like a bluish. That's so pretty. Okay, and then we've got this one. I like the size of these because I feel like since it's smaller, it's not, you know, gonna dry up and go to waste. You're gonna get the most with your product here. So here you've got like, do you guys see that? It's like orangey, pinky, yellow. What? Rhonda, you're pulling colors out your butt. Try again. it's like orangey and red. God. This weather really be messing with my head. And it's like gold. That's what I meant, not yellow. Okay, you're still with me, thank you. I know I'm not everybody's cup of tea, Miss Ma'am, sir. I don't need to hear about it. Ooh, they dry down nice. I didn't get this one in time, so they're not going nowhere. And it's not crusty or crunchy. That's nice. Okay. Next in here, we have got a Russia B Cosmetics. Is this a mascara? Oh, it is. Okay, I don't want to totally open it, but we've got a mascara in here as well. And then we've got an eyeshadow palette, which you all know I love the eyeshadow palettes. My girl Ann did a collaboration with Russia B Cosmetics and SLAGLAM Box back in December. And I think we're allowed to talk about, yeah, you all know. I'm like, wait a minute, we're allowed to talk about Ann's next one. Yes. And Ann is coming out with her second collab palette, and I am so excited for her. This is really pretty. I like these colors. You got a nice neutral mix in there. I love that. And this one, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, honestly though, I really like her shifty shades. Oh, my battery's dying. So is my voice. I mean, the shimmers are just so freaking gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Woo! So gorgeous. All right, so that is everything in your SLAGLAM box for March. Let me know down below. And like I said, if you're interested in signing up for the SLAGLAM box, code HOTMESS is gonna save you money off your first box, making it around like $21 and change, I believe. And you can use it if you're interested in signing up for their nail subscription as well. So let me know your thoughts down below, and definitely make sure to check out Synergy Labs for all your kitty cat and doggy needs. There may be other things on their website for other animals. I'm not 100%. From when I went on there and played around, I mean, they have like veterinarian strength products on there too. So definitely make sure to check out the website and find places close to you that sell the products. So I'll have all the information down in my description box. Don't forget to check me out on my other channels, Hotmess in the Kitchen, where I unbox and I do grocery hauls and I sometimes cook over there. Anyways, you know what? I think I'm gonna film tonight. I've been craving fish, and we try and do fish once a week. And I got this green goddess Trader Joe's thingy, and so I want to try that and marinate my fish with it. I think it's going to be delicious. So anyways, stay tuned for that. It'll either be a video or a short. And then of course, a Hotmess Momma vlogs, where I do Curvy Girl try on hauls over there. Shout out and thank you again to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel. I love you guys. You guys are just simply the best. So, and if you guys made it to the end of today's video, I appreciate you all. And stick around, stay tuned. I got a giveaway coming up very soon. I think there's one going on right now, actually. So I'll leave that video down below. Anyways, I'm rambling. I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.